Good morning, everyone. Today and tomorrow are going to be hot. That 90-degree word in the vocabulary. And the force is not so strong with Darth Vader. It's probably the power supply went bad. And they don't like to sell those separate because they want you to throw them out and buy a new one. Sometimes we pull one from another working one, and anyway, Don's going to check on it later today. He just kind of went down yesterday, and Don did it's plugged in, you know, it's on the same circuit. There's nothing obvious wrong, so that probably means the power supply. We've never had a fan motor actually go out. It's always the power supply fails. Bummer. Come on, I'm ready for you to bloom. I'm ready for more flowers. Everything's looking good out here. I can still hear the cicadas in the background. Don really shouldn't be working today, even though he got called out last night for, I don't know, 90 minutes maybe to fix a little thing. Let me get this water refreshed. Hi, Panther. Hello. Hello, sweet boy. Hi. There you go, bud. There you go. Well, there's still a good chance of rain tomorrow. A little chance today. I ordered everything and checked on everything, except I didn't go across the bridge. So I probably should do that sooner than later. Everything's still reasonably wet, nothing in desperate need, which is good. Good morning, Gray. Oh, such a big stretch. How's my pretty girl? You good? Hi, sweet boy. Hi. Mom's gonna mow, but I'm gonna start in the front yard, okay? You too, Marty? Hi. Hi, sweet boy. Yeah, it's dry enough out here to mow. The grass is tall. I don't want to do it over Mother's Day, my birthday weekend, so today's the day. Don's gonna start out by filling the hole and getting rid of the cone around the corner down there. We've got some dirt over by the bricks underneath the kiddie swimming pool. That can be taken down there to fill that hole. We didn't end up using it for anything else this year. I don't want to be out here all day, but realistically it's at least 2 hours.
There's my girl. She's down here mowing the grass on a day like today. You know, that sun's pretty warm, but it's not oppressive out here. But I'm sure we're going to be breaking a nice sweat here in a second.
Yeah, and I'm too stubborn to put on bug spray.
Oh, I'm doctored head to toe.
And I've got a few mosquito bites.
Yeah, I don't have any big mosquitoes.
I'm doing my Cybertruck.
That's right. I like the Cybertruck shirt. Yeah.
Yeah. I just want to get it done before Mom's weekend.
That's right.
You know, get it done. It looks all nice.
That's right.
I don't have to worry about it.
Yep.
I was starting to play in the back of my mind.
That's right.
And I don't want it on rerun back there. I need to mow the grass. I need to mow the grass. So.
Right. Yeah. Well, she's taking care of it. Plus, you know, productive exercise.
Exactly.
I'm gonna go fill a hole.
For starters.
Oh, yeah. Oh joy. And then probably dig a hole.
Yeah.
You're gonna be messing with dirt.
Yeah.
There's the hole I'm gonna fill in. It's right here on the edge of the driveway. We've been using this red cone for, I guess, a year or two. The tree came down a couple years ago. The guys hauled it off last year. I repaired and put the little railing back up, edging there. Not particularly well, but it's been in place. So that's a big hole, and that's all the dirt I've got. So what I'm gonna do is I've got some scraps of pressure treated wood that's too small to do anything with. Really odd sizes, you know, angle cuts. So I'm gonna use that for filler. You know, it's good for like 40 years in ground contact. That's all and I'll be long gone in 40 years, so the next guy will have to deal with it. Of course, I've come up short. I don't have enough dirt, so I'm going to my never-ending supply of dirt, which is right here at the edge of the road. It washes down and it comes down here. There used to be a washed out spot right here, and I put rocks in it, and I just threw dirt in it, this dirt right here in there, and as you can see, you can actually tell it's kind of filled in there. This ditch used to be a lot steeper cut, but over the years it's filled in, so I'm just going to make use of this because it's like 3 feet there. The asphalt goes, you can kind of tell where the line is, so I'm going to cut all that sod and everything up, put it in a wheelbarrow and haul it and put it down there in that hole.
Well, as long as I've lived here, every year or two, Don comes out here and he gets the dirt and the grass off the asphalt.
In case you're wondering, there's roots and rocks all the way out.
It looks like it's a lot of fun for you.
Oh yeah.
Well, you even it up into a nice little, you know, moon circle there. So he's taking that dirt back. It's actually really nice dirt because it's all runoff from the rain, and it kind of catches over there. So
there it is. I think 6 wheelbarrow fulls. I've stomped it down. I mean, I know it's going to settle. Probably erode away a little bit, but you know, that's why the endless supply of dirt's up at the top of the driveway up there. So this will probably get it through till the next spring or whatever, and I'll haul a couple more down here and fill it back in. And planting or putting a little dirt along the bottom of that. There's plenty of weed seeds in that, so it ought to, you know, be thick like that in no time.
it's killing me that there's that perfect spot for a plant, but it's super close to the driveway. I'm gonna have to put something in there. Your hole you filled in. The tree stump makes a plant pot.
Of course it does.
You ready to call it quits and get out of the sun?
Yeah, here in a minute. I'm gonna just, you know, kind of finish this little section here.
Okay, because you are right in the sun.
Of course I am.
I made it so the gnome can get back in and out of his door. This that we planted is hiding well amongst all the stuff over here, so I'm going to leave it be. If she'd have waited there until that car was all the way past, that would have been okay with me. But she didn't curb your wheels or hit the other car, so.
That's right, you didn't swing out in that lane.
We're headed up to the UPS store and I'm playing Pogo because we didn't go out this morning. We might have a little rain incoming. It's a good thing Johnny's not down at UNC Charlotte this afternoon. They've got a severe thunderstorm headed toward campus, and some part of that cell has 2-inch hail. So it's like, yeah, I'd like to not go through that, or Johnny go through that. Rain is good, hail is not good. Will she do the unprotected left without scaring us to death today? She's really been doing excellent.
Well, there's a car making a left turn. I don't know if she sees it or not. She sees it maybe.
I think that car's easily visible.
Yeah.
But she has to understand that these cars come over that crest at the absolute last minute.
Yeah, and she doesn't show those on the screen. Wow, she did great.
Yeah.
The only thing she did, and I felt she should have let that guy make his left turn. She was rolling forward very slightly as he was making his left turn. That was a little impatient there of her.
Right, well, it makes me feel uncomfortable when the cars do that, and it can make the other driver feel
That's
uncomfortable. It's not wrong, but it's not high comfort.
Right, it just makes you wonder, well, what's your big hurry? You know, because the guy's got to turn.
Yeah. Oh, you were able to tell her to go through town?
Yeah, I clicked the black.
Oh, you clicked the alternate route. Wow.
That's right.
Bump there.
Yeah.
All right. Way
She
cool.
doesn't know bump holes, potholes, nothing.
Yeah.
I think it's a secret conspiracy to sell wheels and tires.
It sure seems that way sometimes. Just saying that Jules does not have the Tesla Vision Park Assist option. There's nothing for us to turn on and try. The software version is FSD 12.3.6 or 11.1. So
And we're
any additional parking stuff we'd like to try, we're using whatever is available to us. Because there is a park assist, an option for Tesla Vision or not, and so we can't try it. Well, since we're here, I think I'm gonna go to Harris Teeter too.
Okay.
I'll just walk though, and I'll let you know when I'm out.
Okay.
Harris Teeter UPS store. Here's a sweet looking Model S. Red calipers and chrome. I'm moving a little stiff after mowing. Hopefully nobody will get impatient with me in here that I'm not moving fast enough for them today. Don had to listen to the play-by-play. He gets it in stereo, he gets it live, and then he gets it on video too. Well, I will give them that they're pretty. I've got about an hour, and I'm gonna work on the beekeeper's house. The second floor is done. The roof line part is what's left to do. The bed's kind of cute here, raised up in the air. The little computer station in there, balcony, and the flowers and the birdies. It's coming along nicely. There's a telescope to put here, and like I said, the roof line to go. But I'm stopping for now because dinner's done and I've done enough for tonight.